I really wish I had this when I just started building my van. So I built it. It would save me months of research, tons of money and mistakes, and it's live right now. It took me some time to build and some costs, but it makes exactly $0. So let's talk about it and about why we made it anyway. Last week I told you the honest part. We have no real plan for making a living from the road. And that's still true. Our savings are slowly running down. YouTube's income, we're so grateful for it. But some months it's there, some months it's just not. It's not a plan you can build a life on. We need something that works while we keep moving. Because stopping isn't the plan. I don't need another dream, I have plenty of those. I need to build something that people will actually use and eventually pay for it. So a few months ago, we ran a little experiment. We started adding product links to our video descriptions, just the gear we actually use in our van. Our first payout is going to be almost $30. $30 is not going to fund this life. In some places it's a bag of groceries, in others is a couple of drinks, but it proved something that is way more important than money. You guys aren't just watching for entertainment. Some of you are actively building your van right now and looking for real answers. Our cooling video alone did more than double what all the other links did combined, and that told us something. We have spent years on this. Research, engineering, mistakes, a lot of mistakes, and now actually living in it full time. That's a mountain of knowledge. And right now it's scattered across several of our videos in our channel. So the idea was this: what if we take all of this knowledge and we put it in one place? That's a real resource around helping the next person to build their van. That's Unmapped Roots, Phase 1. And this is what we wish we had. Here's what's on it right now, for free. Guides, electrical system, water system, cooling setups, and more. Systems that gave us the most trouble. And there is also an electrical calculator. You tell it what you actually want to run. A fridge, an AC, a stove, and it helps you design a system around your real needs, instead of just guessing. And there is a complete gear list. Everything we actually use with links. So you're not digging through old videos trying to find that one thing we mentioned once. And we're making an email list, because we don't want to depend on YouTube deciding if you are going to see us. So we need our own way to stay in touch and keep helping you. The part that surprised me, I thought this would take weeks or cost thousands. I built the first version myself. It's not finished, it's not even close to a real business, but it exists. And there is a real plan behind it. 3 phases. Phase 1 is what you see right now. Build an audience asset, free guides, the calculators, the gear list, affiliate income, the email list. Just get useful stuff in front of people for free. Phase 2 is selling specialized knowledge. The stuff you can't find for free in a video. Like buying a vehicle in the US as a foreigner, driving a US plated van through Central America, traveling with a dog across borders, and way more detailed build guides. Phase 3 is selling the expertise. Van build consultations, electrical system designs, design reviews, actual engineering work, where my background actually has the most value. One-line version. Start with free value, learn what you actually need most, then build paid products around your biggest problems. Now, I'm going to be honest, because I said I would be. I'm excited. I've wanted to build this for a long time now, and I'm pretty proud that we did. But I'm also doubtful, because I don't know if anyone is going to actually go there, visit the website, use our tools, or even buy something at one point. And I'm overwhelmed, because I built this website this week. Today is already Wednesday and I need to film, tomorrow I need to edit, and on Friday I need to publish it in the morning as always. There is a real chance I'm putting more on my shoulders than I can actually carry. I'd rather tell it right now than pretend it's under control, because it's not. So this isn't a success story. I'm not showing you a successful business. I'm showing you an unproven website that makes nothing, and the start of an experiment. The site is live right now, so I'm going to leave the link below. So if you are building your van right now or planning to, go there, try our tools, get a free guide, and let us know what works for you, what you would like to see next, and what we should add to the website. And answer me this in the comments. If you could have one van build or travel problem solved for you, what would it be? Your answer literally decides what's our next video or what we build next. Last week, I said that we have to figure out how to fund this life. This website isn't it, but it is the real first step I've taken toward finding it. Thank you so much for watching, stick with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.